Okay, so in this video we're going to show you how to replace the key remote, the key fob for the BMW 3 Series. This is for models 2013 to about present day. So this includes models like 316i, 318i, 320i, etc. All use this trapezoid style key fob. So this is a really easy one to change the battery on. So if you get a low battery warning, flip this over and press here to remove the internal key. And on the side that the key did not come out of, you'll see there's a hole. Insert that in there, and you can go in a little bit and then kind of pop it up towards you, and that'll pop off this backing. And once you have this back off, you can see the point right there where when you insert the key, you can see the slot where it allows you to pop it up, and there you can get access to the internal battery. Now to get that out, you can use something like a Phillips flathead, screwdriver. Pop that key battery out, and you can see this is a CR2450 battery, easy to get on Amazon. Pop that out, get a new one, pop that in. Just make sure that the sides with the words is facing towards you, and then just put the cap, the backing back on. Just kind of pops back into place here, like so, and then you are all set. And so that's how you change the BMW 3 Series for 2013 models and newer, using the trapezoid style key. And yeah, really all you need is flathead screwdriver. You could even use just a pair of nail clippers. There you go.